guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here on a kind of rich server. Guessing what I'm doing, aren't you? I am going to be trading only my neon pets. That's gonna be hard. Oh my goodness. And I have to, let them add all the way, which I always do, so. But at the end of this video, I am going to be giving away a drum roll, please. I am going to be giving away where'd it go? I will give away, I'll give away a monkey, and it's newborn, sadly. But I will be giving away a monkey to a person that is nice, and maybe to one of my fans if they're on the server. Which I don't have much fans because I'm kind of a newer YouTuber, but I know at least I have a few people that like me. But guys, I am going to be giving away some dino eggs when they come out. So comment down below in this video, subscribe, and maybe turn those post notifications, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. But make sure you comment, I want a dino egg, please, and I can put you all in the giveaway. Probably I'm going to be giving away like 3, I'm pretty sure, when they come out. I'm kind of low on money, so yeah. Let's just get to trading now. There's a lot of good pets. Oh, my dream pet, This one, it's my dream. Then he's not dino, but I don't think they want my offer. I don't got the piss off from it. Ooh, let's try to trade. Maybe for this mega. It's all yellow. I love all pets, guys. And if you guys want to offer for rainbow or this one, I'll share it, God. You may just comment down below and I'll friend you and accept my friend request. My username on this game is Quinn 1016 2010. I just like the name Quinn. It's really pretty. And yeah. So we'll just have to get to trading. Let's trade him a few times. I know he's gonna be like, no! But it's worth a try for everybody that wants off. It is raining out, and the current time is 9:01. I don't know why I said that, but it's just true. But I was really bored, so yeah. And I skipped school because I am a little bit under the weather this week, so yeah. Oh my goodness, guys, I just saw this pet and it's trading me if you have a Tim or a worm. I'm gonna trade for that, but I don't have one and I didn't. I'm sad, but I'll offer this guy and this little guy. Oh, you can also offer for that dude if you want. But I didn't know if you guys would. And that. Thank you. I just don't really. And guys, Ella got a golden egg, but she traded it for a unicorn because I'm pretty sure she's going to try to make a neon unicorn myself. I did this thing, so I lost my very lead. But I'm going to go strong again and try to get that golden egg before if this update ever goes out. I'm so sad that Adopt Me doesn't, do more things to the game anymore, but let's see what this girl or boy will offer like this. Sorry, I don't really want this pet, but I could offer something different. Dang it, I hate when people don't let me add. It just makes me sad. Oh. Okay, guys, I think it was this person that I was trading, but of course they don't think my trade was worth it. No, a lot of people didn't. I know, I'm not rich. My sister otherwise is rich completely. I want to give away that man. But make it like this and that. I'd like a bet like that. Oh my god, my voice. It like cracked right there. Let's see. Sorry, just add and then I'll see if you had like any on that. Sorry, I'm going to have to decline. I'm gonna say I'm sorry. I have to decline. I'm sorry, I have to decline. Oh my god, I almost hit the accept button. Scary. I would have like gone like ah! Like that. I would have been no AFK. I don't know. Maybe he means he's not AFK. He could have guessed something. True. Open on this. And that. Okay. This is the same dude. Sorry, I know you don't want my offer already. Now that is cool. His name is Rainbow. Just stole my name and checking him up like that. I don't mind if people steal it. Let's see. I'm sorry, I actually traded a little bit more than a golden unicorn for this pack. That's great offer. This is a great offer, but sorry. But sorry. Sorry. I know a lot of people want this pet, but we just gotta offer like a legendary, maybe. I'm gonna say add a tiny bit. Add tiny bit. I don't know if that's how you do it. Tiny, but yeah, it's not. I thought I was gonna say sorry. My voice keeps cracking. Wait, I have a bed often. She's gonna be like, what the heck? No! I was gonna add something. I think you would have made it like, oh dang it. They're like, I was trading the wrong person. That was one thought for this. You could have added in the new opinion. Add something. Yes! Added something new, please. I might like something. Okay, they got my thing. I could tell because they unaccepted, and I think they're do something like that. I did not decline on people like that, but I had to because it wasn't. I don't really want that bad, even if they had. It's got a mega collab! What the heck? What was that? Oh my god! What the heck was that? No. So cute! I'm making a mega! A mega! When I say odd, it's only I believe it's true. It is true. That's like almost fair. 1 second. You guys already know what I'm gonna do. Oh, dang it. I did not mean to add that Shiba. I'm gonna add something different. Okay, I think this is. They've offered this to me so many times that I've said no, sorry. No, sorry. Not it. I'll just say, I think they have a good offer, but I just don't want to do it because I love my pet that I have. They're gonna be. They've asked me like 20 times that I said sorry, but I feel bad. I hate after trades because then I'm like, wait, I feel bad. 1 second. Sorry. Okay, I thought I was gonna sneeze, so I was like, am I? Okay, rich. I'm like, yeah, I'm part. I think I'm a little bit like me. ABC trade penguin. I don't get what that means, but okay. Oh, and guys, please check down below if you want my offer for a albino monkey. It would be a neon fly-ride unicorn, a neon shrew, and then I'll give you the outfit after, and a neon phoenix fox, and a ginger cat, a ride ginger cat. Comment down below if you really want to do that offer. If you do, I'm going to be so excited because it's literally my dream pet. And make sure you enter in the giveaway for those dino pets when they come out. I will probably be giving away 3 to some lucky people. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, turn on the notifications, and comment down below your username. So yeah, I will definitely be giving away 3. And I can chat you guys, I'm going to chat you guys in YouTube and say, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna friend you, and then you guys are going to have to join me on a game sometime, and then I will have the dino pets, not the dino pets, the dino eggs, and give them to you, because I know they're gonna be rare on the day they come out. Okay, so I was gonna sneeze again! Oh my god, what the heck was that? It was like, ah! Oh man. I scream like in every video, guys. So that was weird. Let's not scream anymore. You guys are probably gonna be like, Bella, stop screaming! No! Oh, what? I will, except, because I can add neon ledge. I don't have enough, but I'll add one. Let me see. I don't have another, but I'll add. Oh, dang it! Add neon ledge, but I couldn't. I don't have another. Wait, please show me again. Please. I said I would add. Okay. I would do it. Just let me add. Let me add. Let me add really quickly. This. No, I was. Wait. Oh, wait. I give more. I won't give a car. Okay, I know I give cars a lot because I have a lot, of course. That I think okay. And 2 neon much for 1 neon kangaroo. I don't think I would have done that anyway. Her dream pet is a neon bat. Well, there's a bat in the server, girl. So if you want to get one, then trade the neon for the neon bat. But guys, I'm going to have to end this video here. So make sure to hit that bell, turn on the notification, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye! I forgot to mention something. Enter yourself in the giveaway, comment down below, and do all the other things I said. Now, the final goodbye. Bye!